Hi, my name's Lewry and I'm the contributing food editor of Woolworths Taste magazine, and today I'm going to share with you my ultimate spicy tuna sub sandwich. It's really delicious and something I grew up eating after school almost every week, so I hope you enjoy it. Do you want a tuna or do you want a bone? Okay, so I am onion obsessed. I often get into trouble at Taste for actually including it into too many of my recipes. But here's a little bit of red onion, and I'm gonna add a nice squeeze of lemon, a good generous pinch of sea salt, and we're literally just gonna scrunch them up. It's a quick pickle. It's a super awesome trick I learned, and it's like literally that's it. Now for the tuna, the best part. So I love to use the Woolies light meat tuna. I find this like lighter and just really fresh. So you put it into the sieve and let it drain out. Delicious. So we add a little bit of good old tomato sauce. This adds like a yummy tomatoey flavor, obviously, and a little bit of sweetness, which is awesome. A little bit of salt. And I love a little bit of lemon, so you can get in there with the lemon juice. Also obsessed with the Woolies tangy mayo, but you can kind of use whatever you prefer. Just get in there, don't be shy, maybe a little bit more. You got a spoon in there. So now we can just give it a good stir. Kind of mix it all together. So this is great if you've got kids or friends that don't really like spicy food, but I love to add like a little bit of Tabasco, just for that hit of heat. Little capers, which will add a nice pop of flavor, and then also our awesome onions that we've done. So it kind of just really gives it a nice bit of texture, a little bit of freshness. It's really yummy. Okay, so now for the best part, assembling the sandwich. So I've got one of Woolies' awesome Rustica baguettes here. You can get them from their bakery, but obviously you can use whatever you prefer. There's like awesome olive ones, and there's just your normal ones. And also you can just make toast. So because we've got so much mayo and stuff in there, we're just gonna go straight onto the bread. It's really fresh this morning, super soft, so we might as well take advantage of that. So now you can kind of just like top it with whatever you want. I am also like a massive fan of gherkins. As you can see, I'm like obsessed with anything that's kind of crunchy and a little bit acidic, a little bit sweet. Like it really does make everything taste so much better. So this side, I'm gonna be adding loads of gherkins, which is awesome. And then on the other side, a little bit of a crunchy summer salad. And then I'm thinking it maybe needs like a little bit of something creamy. So just gonna add a couple of nice ripe, creamy arrow slices here. And then here's our top side here. So there they are. Quick, easy, fuss-free, amazing. And yeah, I can't wait to get stuck in. Ooh. Okay, awesome.